Hey y'all, welcome back. If you saw last week's video, you understand what you're hearing right now. And I figure it's just going to be that way for a while because, I'm allergic to where I live. So, hey, yay 2020. Thanks for adding some awesomeness to it. But whatever, we'll just bust on through here. So, I'm going to review this Biutee kit because some people will say, the bigger kits are the affordable kits, and you hear that? I didn't even bother silencing my phone, and my dogs are about to start barking and their stupid nonsense. Oh Lord, let me turn that right off. Okay, back to it. Man, I just gotta get it right, get it together, get it right. Anyway, so I'm gonna actually review, the actual affordable kit here, and with all of these Biutee colors, as you see them side by side right there. There's the two color changing ones that they change, to a white. I wish, the color changing ones would change to, maybe like a lighter version of the color or another color versus, the white, because they all seem to change white. But that's my personal opinion. I don't make it, so what do I know? Anyway, so I'm just going to basically use the flesh tone color and do the whole set using the dual forms. And it's actually going to be a step-by-step process. The whole video is, step-by-step. You're not going to miss any steps. So if you already know all of that, this might not be a entertaining video for you. But we can try a little bit, right? So I use, of course, my gelish dehydrator. I'm so sorry. This sounds so awful. I'm sorry. Young Nails Protein Bond. What was that? Oh, Model 1's base coat. Could not think of the word base coat. And then, you put your polygel in your dual form there. Slip solution is alcohol, 90%. And of course, the standard brush, and you pat and pull it and put it in a form until, you get it to where you want to look. Add it to the nail. Stick it on there, and then if there's anything that squishes out, clean it up. If there's not, then put it into place. Now, if you don't have this tiny little, what is it? A press dupe lamp or whatever, the mini lamp that you can, put the nails on like that. You can take those mini lamps, if you got one from some kit or something, if you have one, put it on its side and do the same process, or do like normal people do and just put your nail on and hold it on the outside of the lamp, with both your hands, and then put it back in the lamp for the full cure after it's stuck, and you don't have to hold it on with the other finger unless you have those little fancy clips. You can use those too, and then voila, you don't have to do any of that hacking, as we're going to call it. So basically it's the same step for steps. There's more than one, like whatever, but we're gonna do the same steps for all the nails. If you put it on and have any excess on the bottom, of course you just clean that up with your brush, pull it out from under your nails, because I hate things under my nails. I don't have nails. I have itty bitty little micro nails, but for some reason I can't stand stuff getting stuck under my fake nails. So it's a thing, and maybe it's like OCD, I don't know, whatever. But you clean that up and then go ahead and cure the full nail in there. I mean, it's basically it. The entire set is the same way. Put the polygel in, pat, pull, stick it, and you got your nail. You pop off the dual form. Yeah, so when you pop off the dual form, if you have any excess around your cuticles, you can use a cuticle nipper to cut it off, or just file it off, or just use regular nail clippers, whatever you got available. You can cut it off and file it down if need be. Then you just reshape the nail as you see fit and buff it. make sure you buff these nails, because what ends up happening is you'll end up seeing the scratches. I don't know if it's the color or because it's, you know, just a plain color. There's nothing like, you know, glitters or anything like that to take away, I guess, from seeing the scratches. But make sure you buff it that way, and use not like 100 or 180 grit. Like for real, use a higher grit, you know, the 220, the 240, like an actual buffer to get those scratches out of there, so that way, you know, your nails look not scratchy and crazy, like they look awesome. And always clean off all the dust with your lint-free wipe or whatever you use, some alcohol. Get all the dust before you try to do anything else with your nails. So that's basically what I'm gonna do. So I will come back at the gem section. Yeah, cool. Okay, bye. I mean, not bye. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. You know what I mean. Bye. right, so I'm back, and you're excited, and I know it. But I got I got a little friend in here with me. We're both chilling in our pajamas, and it's Friday, and you know you should be chilling in your pajamas too. What kind of pajamas you got on?
I got on Elsa with some sweatpants.
Elsa with some sweatpants. See, that's what I'm talking about, because it's that kind of date. That's what we're going to do. All right, little girl. What are we doing in this video right here that you can see?
We are putting on some glitter on our fingernails.
Well, yeah, some like glitter gems, the rhinestone stuff.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yep, because I had those set. That's it. Yeah, you like that's how we do. I had this set on way back in October. Cause see the Halloween nails?
Yeah.
Okay. And after we place these rhinestones, we're gonna put our clear top coat on, and of course we always clear. Yeah, that's it. We clear. Oh my gosh, we cure the top coat for 60 seconds in the lamp, and that's basically it. So I like this kit. I think Biutee is a good brand. You should definitely get it. It'll save you some money, and it's worth it. It's just as good. What else you got to say?
Well, I say that her nails are pretty, and I look at them every day when I come back from school. It is fun to see Mom doing her nails, and I feel bad because she has to do everything, and she needs water and to take a break. But I don't know what else to say.
Okay. Well, we appreciate you watching. And what do they need to do?
Subscribe, hit that bell, and like.
That's right. And we will see y'all next time. Thank you for watching.
Watch her Instagrams. I mean, not.
It's all right. You got you.
Watch your Instagrams.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye, peeps.